Welcome to our channel. If you want to create a Robinhood account for commission-free stock and cryptocurrency trading, follow these step-by-step instructions for complete registration. Step 1. Download the Robinhood app from your device's app store or visit robinhood.com on your web browser. Step 2. Click on Sign Up to begin creating your Robinhood account. Step 3. Enter your email address and create a strong password for your account. Step 4. Verify your email by entering the confirmation code sent to your inbox. Step 5. Provide your legal first and last name as it appears on government-issued identification. Step 6. Enter your date of birth and social security number for identity verification and tax purposes. Step 7. Provide your residential address and phone number for account security. Step 8. Answer questions about your employment status, investment experience, and financial information to help Robinhood understand your investment profile. Step 9. Link your bank account by entering your account and routing numbers or by logging into your bank through Robinhood's secure connection. Once verified, you can start depositing funds and trading immediately. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.